13 Herbs to Rejuvenate Your Heart. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, affecting millions annually. Maintaining heart health is essential for a long and active life, as heart problems can lead to severe complications such as heart attacks and heart failure. Fortunately, many heart diseases can be prevented with proper care. Studies reveal that over 1/3 of adults have some form of heart disease, often unknowingly. But don't worry, improving your heart health is possible through healthy habits and natural remedies. There are powerful herbs that can strengthen your heart and enhance cardiovascular health. Stay with us as we introduce the 13 most effective herbs for revitalizing your heart, their benefits, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. A global concern. Heart disease is a significant global issue and one of the leading causes of death in the United States. About 6% of adults in the US have diagnosed heart disease, contributing to approximately 25% of deaths. Globally, around 17.9 million people die each year from cardiovascular diseases. These conditions are often linked to obesity, diabetes, and liver disease. While medication, lifestyle changes, and nutritional therapy are common treatments, severe cases may require surgical procedures or even a heart transplant. Alongside conventional treatments, herbal supplements can be considered under medical guidance. Causes of heart problems. Heart problems arise from a mix of genetic, behavioral, and environmental factors. Major causes include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, and smoking. A diet high in saturated fats and salt, coupled with a lack of physical activity, also plays a significant role. Chronic stress and excessive alcohol consumption are additional risk factors. Heart diseases often result from atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in the arteries, which leads to artery narrowing and hardening, potentially causing heart attacks and heart failure. Genetic factors and family history are also important contributors. Impact on the body. When heart problems occur, the body faces serious consequences. Compromised blood circulation reduces the supply of oxygen and nutrients to organs and tissues, causing fatigue, shortness of breath, and swelling in the legs and ankles due to fluid buildup. Chest pain, especially during physical exertion, is common. Severe cases can lead to heart attacks, damaging or killing parts of the heart muscle. Heart failure can impair the heart's ability to pump blood effectively, resulting in a decline in overall health and quality of life. Consequences of inaction. Neglecting heart problems can lead to severe and potentially fatal outcomes. Symptoms such as chest pain, shortness of breath, extreme fatigue, and leg swelling may worsen. Without treatment, the risk of heart attacks and strokes increases, causing permanent damage to the heart and brain. Heart failure can develop, affecting all body organs and significantly deteriorating quality of life. This can limit daily activities and lead to frequent hospitalizations. Premature mortality is a severe consequence of untreated heart disease. 13 scientifically proven herbs for heart health. Here are the 13 herbs that have been scientifically proven to help clean and maintain your heart in good condition. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can provide natural support for cardiovascular health, complementing a healthy lifestyle and medical treatments. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most potent herbs for heart health. It contains compounds like allicin, which help reduce blood pressure, lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Regular consumption of garlic can enhance blood circulation and protect the heart from various diseases. Allicin, a sulfur compound, forms when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Studies indicate that allicin can relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Additionally, garlic contains antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. There are several ways to incorporate garlic into your diet. You can eat raw garlic, add fresh garlic to recipes, use garlic oil, or take garlic supplements. However, it's important to note that cooking garlic can destroy some of its beneficial compounds. To maximize the benefits, try consuming garlic raw or slightly cooked. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it highly beneficial for heart health. It can reduce the risk of heart disease, improve blood circulation, and lower cholesterol levels. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help mitigate oxidative stress and inflammation, both critical factors in the development of heart disease. Additionally, ginger can lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, enhancing cardiovascular health. You can incorporate fresh ginger into your meals, make ginger tea, or take ginger supplements. Ginger tea is particularly beneficial as it provides ginger's active compounds and helps soothe the digestive system and reduce nausea. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is an excellent herb for heart health. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, improve endothelial function, and may lower the risk of heart disease. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that combats chronic inflammation, a leading cause of heart disease. Studies show that curcumin can enhance endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract, a crucial factor for cardiovascular health. Additionally, turmeric can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood. You can incorporate turmeric powder into your recipes, make turmeric tea, or take curcumin supplements. To improve curcumin absorption, consume it with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that increases its bioavailability. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help protect the heart. Regular consumption of green tea can lower bad cholesterol levels, improve blood circulation, and help prevent heart disease. Catechins are a type of antioxidant that reduces inflammation and prevents cell damage caused by free radicals. Green tea also aids in improving endothelial function, lowering blood pressure, and reducing LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Studies indicate that individuals who drink green tea regularly have a lower risk of developing heart disease. To reap the benefits, aim to drink 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, and while green tea supplements are available, it is generally more beneficial to consume the beverage directly. Number 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon not only enhances the flavor of your dishes but also provides significant heart health benefits. It can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, improve blood circulation, and regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains compounds such as cinnamaldehyde and polyphenol, which possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting cardiovascular health and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. You can incorporate cinnamon into your meals, add it to coffee or tea, or brew cinnamon tea. It is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it aids in controlling blood sugar levels, which is crucial for heart disease prevention. Number 6. Basil. Basil, with its aromatic qualities, provides significant benefits for heart health. It contains compounds such as eugenol, which help reduce blood pressure and enhance blood circulation. Eugenol has vasodilatory effects that relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Additionally, basil is rich in antioxidants that protect heart cells from damage caused by free radicals. You can incorporate fresh basil into salads, sauces, soups, and various recipes. For a health boost, basil tea is also a great way to enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of this herb. Number 7. Rosemary. Rosemary is an herb celebrated for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. It aids in enhancing blood circulation, reducing arterial inflammation, and shielding the heart from oxidative damage. The active compounds in rosemary, including rosmarinic acid, possess strong antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress. Furthermore, rosemary supports improved blood flow, which is vital for cardiovascular health. You can incorporate fresh or dried rosemary into dishes like meats, vegetables, and soups, or brew rosemary tea to reap its benefits. Additionally, rosemary essential oil can be used in massages to enhance circulation and alleviate muscle tension. Number 8. Celery. Celery is an herb abundant in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health. It can aid in lowering blood pressure, enhancing blood circulation, and decreasing the risk of heart disease. Celery contains compounds like phthalates, which help relax the muscles surrounding the arteries, thereby improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Additionally, celery has diuretic properties that assist in eliminating excess sodium from the body, further contributing to lower blood pressure. You can add fresh celery to salads, juices, or smoothies to enjoy its benefits. Celery juice is also a popular option and can be mixed with other fruits and vegetables for a more enjoyable flavor. Number 9. Cardamom. Cardamom is a fragrant spice with notable benefits for heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, enhance blood circulation, and counteract the effects of free radicals. Cardamom contains antioxidant compounds that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby protecting the heart from damage. Research indicates that cardamom can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support cardiovascular health. You can incorporate cardamom powder or whole pods into your recipes, including teas, desserts, and savory dishes, or brew cardamom tea to reap these benefits. For an even more potent effect, cardamom can be combined with other spices like cinnamon and ginger. Number 10. Mint. Mint is a refreshing herb that offers several benefits for heart health. It contains antioxidants that help safeguard heart cells, enhance blood circulation, and reduce inflammation. Bioactive compounds in mint, such as menthol and flavonoids, have both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect the heart. Additionally, mint can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which is essential for cardiovascular health. You can incorporate fresh mint into salads, juices, teas, or use it as a seasoning in various dishes. Mint tea is a tasty and revitalizing way to enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of this herb. Number 11. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is an herb renowned for its benefits in enhancing blood circulation and supporting heart health. It helps dilate blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative damage. The flavonoids and terpenoids in ginkgo biloba possess antioxidant properties that combat free radicals, thus safeguarding heart cells. Additionally, ginkgo biloba promotes better blood flow by expanding blood vessels and decreasing blood viscosity. You can consume ginkgo biloba as tea or supplements, but it's important to consult with a doctor before starting, especially if you are taking other medications, as it may interact with some of them. Number 12. Chamomile. Chamomile is a soothing herb that offers several benefits for heart health. It aids in reducing inflammation, enhancing blood circulation, and alleviating stress, all of which can negatively impact the heart. The antioxidants in chamomile, including flavonoids, help protect heart cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to reducing arterial inflammation and improving cardiovascular health. Regularly drinking chamomile tea can provide both its calming and heart-healthy benefits. Beyond heart health, chamomile can also improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety, promoting overall well-being. Number 13. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a potent herb for heart health, renowned for its antioxidant properties and its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Hibiscus tea contains anthocyanins and other antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative damage and inflammation. Studies have shown that regularly consuming hibiscus tea can help reduce blood pressure, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and enhance overall cardiovascular health. Enjoy hibiscus tea regularly, whether hot or cold, for its refreshing taste and benefits. It can also be combined with other herbs and fruits for added flavor and benefits. These 13 herbs can significantly support heart health. Remember to incorporate them into your diet and consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements or treatments. Integrating these herbs into your daily routine, alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, can greatly enhance your heart health. Each herb offers unique benefits, contributing to a comprehensive approach to heart care, while many also support digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.